Good morning, good morning. All right, so I was looking at some other people's code. I don't remember where I threw it at, but oh, no, it's not here. Oh, here it is. And I think this callback is what they use to actually update the properties or the UI at least. And hopefully this will get rid of that issue that I was having where you can't edit the UI anymore. So I'm thinking I try this and then we'll see. Um, Question is which one do I want to use? Properties, property, data settings. Should return true if the property widgets need to be refreshed. Empty contents settings changed. Capture type. Okay. I don't know where this is coming from. Oh, that's the actual function. Right? Does not line up with. Oh, it's here. This. Is property modified. Return true. The properties widget needs to be refreshed. Um, and then what is SC? Is the actual data. So for this, this isn't something you define. You define the content changed part. This has 3. But it's the same one called, oh no, this is both 2. So I assume what it's trying to tell me is the form of my function should be this. But I think a lot of this will go unused. So do they change the actual stuff within this? Okay, let's just try it. Where was I at? Here I am. Actually, so for their content settings changed. Get all of that. And yeah, so this is where they set stuff visible. Return true. Okay. So I set this here, and I want this to be false by default, right? Then the logic, I think, for this is in tick. So I need to put that, this callback needs to be above. Where did they set this actually? So it's in properties, so it needs to be above properties. So it's static bool update, or yeah, update, update. Update error callback, and then it would be there it is. It's void. No, it's not void. It's OBS properties underscore T props property settings. Right. Did I just delete that? Nice. So now this is where we do the updating of everything. So it would be struct get stats info, pointer to that would be, no, wait, I don't have this. So we say eval time thresh, and we held it within the properties. So we do need to use a second callback. Struct get stats info equals data, and then so here's the problem. In tick, we do update it. So I'm assuming in callback we don't need to. So we could just say if, actually, I think I could just copy this from tick. Okay. Data check paths, yep. Prop. I think all of this is good. And then we would, in properties, we would set the callback here because it's relevant here. And then it would be empty is what is the actual thing. But that's, I want to call this, they call this when empty is touched, but we want to do it when repos. So property repos prop equals that, right? And then it would be OBS prop, oh, OBS, oh, I see what I'm doing. OBS property set modified callback to now the question is, does it update this only or the entire thing? The ability to change the properties depending on what settings are used by the user. The callback should return true if the property widgets need to be refreshed due to changes in the property layout. Okay, I'm going to assume that it does. And then, what did I call it? And then these are all the properties is what SC is, right? Yeah. So this, oh no, this will be info. Damn. Whoa, what is that? 537. Oh. What was here before? I think it was just that, right? Uh-oh. 547. Is that right? No. Oh yes, I do. Oh, right. So if we do this, then we return true, else we return false. Unused parameter Did I use any of this? Well, I guess I could just... No, because I had these functions. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it. Passing argument 2 from incompatible type. Bool, pointer, void, struct obvious properties. Oh, is it a different order? Void data, properties, property settings. I don't know if I understand. Oh. Well, it's unused anyway, so let's see if this works. I don't... Whatever. Yeah. Oh, I see. I think this is wrong. OBS properties, props. Oh, I did it twice. OBS property underscore T. There it is. Well, that's not fun. Oh, they're using arenas. Interesting. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I need to do it after? Because I think that's what they did. Right? Oh. I also never reset it to 0. Did I? I'm pretty sure I remember that. Oh, I guess not. Sure type. Um, let's see if it's because I'm doing it too early. Just put it at the bottom. There it is. It's definitely something I'm doing wrong. It keeps calling over and over again, though. I didn't edit anything. Then I assume it's not something else, right? Because if I take this out, wait, I could just D underscore. No, I can't. D0? Cool. Yeah. So it's something with the callback. What am I doing in the callback? this up. What if forgot to put that back, didn't I? Oh. So now I edit this. Yeah. Man. Oh, I actually did get that character. It's right here. Why was it optimized out though? What the heck? Wow. So it calls out every single frame while this is open. Is that what you want to do? Okay. But why is this causing problems? Is it really all it should be doing? Maybe this shouldn't be that. And maybe it should be test. Everything works fine, but I don't see it updating. Which is back to square one. Is it working though? Yeah, it's not here. Oops. We have a lot less sneaks now, though. I think that's good. Less I have to figure out later. So we theoretically should just have to wait 10 seconds. And update something in the source. But it's not doing anything. And this callback isn't even updating it anymore. So let's check that we're actually getting in the source. Because it could very well be that I'm not updating this value. Okay, we got there. But only when we create it. And that's it. Well, that's opposite to what? Oh, I see. It's because it's not being touched anymore. Dang it. So how I was doing it before was right. But why was it crashing? I wonder if it crashes the second we get in there. And this should be... Is that right? Oh. Why isn't it showing up? Because repo prop. Still not getting in there. What did I do so differently before? Oh. Oh, it's because I only have it printing. Those. Okay. Function is getting called. We just have to wait. I should have just printed out what the value was instead. But we can wait a sec. My mouse is dying. Okay. So I don't think the right number is getting in here. info, invalid time passed. It's so long, isn't it? No, it's float. A float. Okay, 4.5, 7, 8. Okay, that's not right. Then we get in there, we call it a bunch of times, right? Yeah. Why isn't this being set? So now that makes sense. We're spam calling it to update. I don't quite understand though. We can read it, but we can't set it. I don't think this will work because it's basically what I'm doing above, but. Oh, right. What? No way, right? Bro, what the heck? Why did I do it on line 23 but not? Oh, struct. Right? That's what you want? Yeah. Actually, oh yeah, to really do anything. Yeah, there it is. I called it a bunch of times on the same second. Why would it do that? Does it keep doing it until we return false? Did they update anything in their original? So, SC is theirs. Yeah, they literally did. Why isn't it working for me? Um, would it go through a bunch of tabs? Because we only updated it once. We set it to be visible. Does this need to be a global thing? Let's just do like okay, I'm not doing all that. Each tick. Then in the callback, you set oops. I think that's it, right? Oh. Okay. But we're still missing the actual thing. And still reset me to the beginning, which is not very fun. If I keep going for 10 seconds, it'll put me back to the beginning of it, right? Yeah, that's not very fun. Wait a minute. This is resetting properly. What the heck? Bro, this one. Okay. I don't want it to reset while they're typing, though. Oh, my mouse died. That's cool. Okay, I'll have to figure out a way I want to do this. Because if we use the value of invalid time, why does it call it so many times? It's probably multiple threads calling it. Now I think about it. I don't know why they would set it up like that. Maybe. Oops. Oh yeah. How am I supposed to navigate this without a mouse? I didn't even think about that. I might have to. Actually, I can use my tripod. Yeah, it still puts V in the beginning. But it's working. So that's fine by me. Could make it manual. But the thing is, I want them to see it while they're typing it. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. Oops. Oops. 2. So, for this, we want to continue using the callback. But see if when I put the... Oh, wait a minute. What if instead of the entire properties, I just pass in the group that needs to be updated? Oh, I'm a genius. When I put... Or... But see if it doesn't reset cursor back to beginning if you pass in a different group to the callback setter for the callback. All right, cool. We're looking good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And also remove the testing stuff for the callback. All right, cool. We're looking good. Actually, I know what I did. Oh, status. This is a feature. Wait a minute. I didn't even get it working. What am I on about? You can't see the error. It updates, but you can't see the error. I'm not committing that. All right, cool. I was pretty productive. Learned about the callback, but oh shit, how do I exit this though? Oh yeah, I have my trackpad.